Hi, I am Casey Copeland, and I teach at Garden City High School in Garden City, Kansas. This is my second year teaching at Garden City. I teach freshman English. I teach 6 sections of freshman English, about 150 students. I'm originally from Buckland, Kansas, which is about 30 minutes southwest of Dodge. So I'm about an hour and a half from my family, so really used to this area, and coming back here after living in several states has been really interesting. This will be my second year in Garden. This is my first teaching position, so it's been definitely interesting. I am also, in addition to my transition teaching classes, I am also taking the master's classes, and I will get my master's in August after I take a couple courses in the summer. An interesting fact about me, I have a thumbed cat. She is a polydactyl cat. I got her in Louisiana when I lived there, and just kind of due to inbreeding, she has an actual extra thumb, like a little hand, and she can use it. It's not really an opposable thumb, but it is a thumb. You can definitely see it in pictures, and she does pick up things with it, like popcorn. She'll eat popcorn and bugs like this, so it is kind of creepy if you've never seen a thumb cat before. It's definitely different. My present understanding of the reflection process, I feel it is very important to reflect on anything that you've done. My first semester, definitely looking back last year as a new teacher, it would have been very helpful to know that I needed to reflect more on every assignment that I did and everything that I taught, because it was brutal, I felt. And to know what to not do, it's a great process to look back and be like, okay, that didn't work. What can I change? How can I do it? So I feel like it's very important as a teacher to make sure that reflections are being done on everything, and knowing how to reflect well, not just saying this worked well, okay, move on. And I feel like the reflection process is very important to becoming a better teacher, because you do need to know what worked well and why it worked well. What students did it work well with? What could you change next time? Because you always have to adapt, always have to change. Nothing's ever going to be the same. So that's kind of my present understanding of the reflection process and why it's so important as a teacher, because it could work perfectly for one class, but awful in another one. And so reflecting and saying, well, this is what I did, really didn't like it, really didn't work. So being able to write down that and being able to look back in a year, oh, okay, this is why it didn't work. Shouldn't do that again. Obviously, it kind of makes sense, but you're going to forget. I forget in a week. All the time. It just happened when I started teaching. So that's kind of the intro to me. And yeah, I'm excited to take this course. Hopefully this is a great semester. I'm kind of nervous on everything that's going on. I'm also I'm also an assistant forensics coach, and then I'm also teaching night school. This will be my second semester teaching night school. So I kind of just piled stuff on myself. So that's just me. So I hope everything goes okay this semester, and I look forward to hopefully getting my teaching license.